This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a professional before investing. Before we dive into the electrifying world of cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, it is crucial to start with a disclaimer. The crypto market is known for its volatility, and all investments carry inherent risks. We strongly encourage you to conduct your own thorough research and consult with a qualified financial advisor. Your financial journey is uniquely yours, and understanding the potential risks is as important as recognizing the opportunities. Now let's explore the data that has everyone talking. Have you been feeling the shift in the market? It's not just you. A staggering $30 billion has flooded into cryptocurrency ETFs in Q4 2025 alone. This isn't just a small wave of interest, it's a tsunami of institutional capital and retail capital making a definitive statement. This influx signals a profound change in how the financial world perceives digital assets. This surge has acted like rocket fuel for the market's leading digital currency. As of today, October 9, 2025, Bitcoin has skyrocketed by an impressive 47% year-to-date. This powerful rally is a direct consequence of the massive demand generated by these new ETF products. When billions of dollars are chasing a limited supply of Bitcoin to back these funds, the price naturally responds with upward momentum. So, is this the start of the next great crypto bull run? While no one has a crystal ball, the evidence is compelling. Many investors are asking, what exactly is a spot crypto ETF? How is it different from what we had before? Think of a spot ETF as a simple regulated wrapper for owning a real digital asset, Bitcoin. Infographic, spot ETF holds Bitcoin. Infographic, futures ETF holds derivatives contracts. When you buy a share of a spot Bitcoin ETF, the fund purchases real Bitcoin to back your share. This direct ownership gives more authentic exposure to the asset's price movements. These ETFs trade on traditional stock exchanges. Just like shares of major companies, you can buy and sell them through your existing brokerage account, no special crypto wallet needed. This simplicity has removed barriers to entry for millions of retail investors. The convenience of integrating crypto into a standard portfolio helped drive roughly $30 billion in fourth-quarter inflows. Another crucial component is stablecoins, digital currencies pegged to a stable asset, like the US dollar. They provide liquidity and a steady medium of exchange for moving in and out of volatile assets like Bitcoin. Rising stablecoin circulation often precedes major market moves, capital waiting on the sidelines. Improving stability and regulatory clarity bolster confidence. Together, these forces opened a regulated on-ramp and a robust plumbing system, a perfect storm for growth. With so much happening, investors are asking, where are the best opportunities right now? For the remainder of Q4, two areas are capturing attention, Bitcoin and Ethereum, plus real-world asset tokenization. Bitcoin ETFs remain the primary destination for capital. Seen as digital gold, a store of value and potential inflation hedge. Investors use them to build a core, foundational crypto position. Excitement around potential spot Ethereum ETFs is at a fever pitch. Ethereum Stabber Digital Oil. It powers decentralized finance and NFTs. A spot ETH ETF offers exposure to that broader ecosystem. Analysts say an ETH ETF approval could trigger an altcoin rally. Forward-thinking investors are exploring RWA tokenization. Digitalization, digital tokens, representing tangible assets on-chain, real estate, art, even private equity. Imagine fractional tokenized ownership of a commercial NYC building, tradable like a stock. This could unlock trillions in illiquid assets for global investors. RWA is early stage but a monumental long-term opportunity. Q4 playbook, large cap exposure, follow Bitcoin ETF inflows. Higher risk, decentralized web belief, the Ethereum ETF narrative. Pioneers, RWA tokenization projects with ground floor potential. Each path is a distinct way to join the unfolding digital asset revolution. Definitions aligned with Investopedia-style clarity. Quick recap, Bitcoin for core exposure, Ethereum for ecosystem growth, RWA for innovation. While the opportunities are exciting, it's essential to ask, what are the main risks I should be worried about? The most obvious risk is volatility. Prices can swing dramatically in short periods, driven by sentiment, macro news, and market dynamics. The recent 47% year-to-date gain is thrilling on the way up, but sharp corrections can follow. Volatility creates potential for outsized returns and significant losses. A disciplined strategy is paramount. Regulatory uncertainty is another headwind. US approval was a landmark, but globally the rulebook is a complex, evolving patchwork. A sudden unfavorable ruling from a major economy could send shockwaves through the market. Keep an eye on statements from key regulators. Their decisions can directly impact prices and project viability. Let's look at a simple comparison. In months where ETF inflows were high, say over $10 billion, Bitcoin's price tended to show strong momentum. Conversely, when inflows slowed or turned negative, prices often stagnated or pulled back. This correlation underscores how dependent the market is on the continued success of these ETFs. If demand for these ETFs were to dry up, expect downward pressure on underlying assets. High potential returns come with high risks. Diversification and a long-term perspective help navigate choppy waters. The fourth quarter of 2025 has ushered in a transformative period for crypto. The approval and success of spot ETFs unlocked a torrent of capital, fundamentally altering the landscape. We've moved from niche and complex to accessible and regulated. The data's clear. Billions of dollars are flowing in. Asset prices are responding. Institutional players are taking a seat at the table, a maturation of the asset class. Bitcoin ETFs, a straightforward way to gain exposure. Ethereum ETFs, exposure to a growing ecosystem. Real-world asset tokenization, the innovative frontier. Balance optimism with respect for volatility, regulation, and fund flow dependence. Investing is a discussion, not a monologue. Which trend fits your philosophy? Bitcoin's reliability, Ethereum's promise, or RWA's potential? What are your top crypto ETF picks for the coming year? Do you think this bull run has legs, or are you cautious? Share insights. In stock insights, we all become smarter investors. The crypto revolution will be built token by a global community. Thank you for joining us. Keep digging, keep learning, and keep investing wisely.